ahibo ne nahibo, that has to be decided by us. If we do not give vacuum, nobody will come. But if we create vacuum, then these people need workers. So vacuum ami nirman korim ne nai, eto ami siddhanto lobo lagibo. If our engineering college start producing engineer for making tunnels, if our engineering college start making engineers for express highway, nobody will come. Rather, we are going to send manpower to outside Assam. So this is a call. Whether somebody will come from outside or inside, this is the challenge our academia has to take. This is the challenge our engineering college and our university has to take. After investing 27,000 crores, definitely Tata needs manpower. If we do not produce manpower, from somewhere manpower has to come because they are not making this project as a showcase, they have to recover money. So this summit, I think, will open the eyes of our academia, our eyes of intellectuals, and this is how we will proceed. Aji amar yate Singapore High Commissioners ase. Moi tate goisilu, moi Asomiyate koisu jani buji pelai. Nobody talks about emotions there. That people speak in Singapore about the future. Je keneke future aru ki ase? What lies ahead? Moi hekarne moi bhabu je abegor jati etai amak nirman koribo nuare. We have to clearly charter a new journey in our life, in our history of Assam, which is realistic, which is futuristic, which is pragmatic. We have heard Sarbananda Sonowalji, what he said, that Government of India is going to invest 5,000 crores, and we have also heard our Chairman of Inland Water Authority, Sri Vijay Kumar, has explained it further, that we are going to make Brahmaputra through dredging. We will maintain 2.5 meter of depth so that we can use. We will bring ship repairs industry facility to Assam. More importantly, Sri Sonowalji has said that we will create an institute for maritime industry. Amar Asomot Hagor nai. কিন্তু আমি যদি এই ইনষ্টিটিউটখনত সাগৰৰ কাৰণে দৰকাৰী মেনপাৱাৰ নিৰ্মাণ কৰিব পাৰো, ক্ৰুজৰ কাৰণে দৰকাৰী সাগৰৰ লগত জাহাজৰ লগত যিমান মেনপাৱাৰ আমি যদি নিৰ্মাণ কৰিব পাৰো, we can be a supplier of skilled workforce to the entire shipping industry. And that industry, that institute is now coming to Dibrugarh. So Government of Assam and Government of India has activated road transport. We have activated water transport. Yesterday we have heard Jyotiraditya Scindia. He has talked about the highway, because today the physical transportation is one thing, but digital transport route is more important. He has spoken how Government of India is going to invest for 5G and also data center, AI-driven data centers. We have heard him yesterday. Yesterday we have also heard Sri Ashwini Vaishnavji. Today Satanji has further reaffirmed whatever yesterday Minister Ashwini Vaishnavji has said. He has promised that there will be an new investment of 7,500 crores in Assam immediately, which will create a new railway line between Kokrajhar and Gelefu. There will be an advanced coach making factory in both Lamding and Kokrajhar. There are a lot of announcements. New railway station in Guwahati along with IT parks in Guwahati, new railway stations. So there are lot of visions of Government of India to create that infrastructure. Moi bhabu that our new generation should take full advantage of it. We should prepare now a skilled workforce. Today, we have seen that there will be MOU and announcement going by the size of Assam. That will be huge. 5:30 bajat jetia amar closing hobo, we will be able to announce that. But moi bhabu je iman jodi industry ahibo lage aru Asomor lora soale jodi schoolot ajir course pori thake, will not be able to supply any manpower to these new industries. So our next challenge is for academic reforms. Today we signed two important MOU with ITS Singapore and Assam Skill University. Oil India has also decided to have a global skill center in partnership with ITS Singapore. So government of Assam's next focus is to create the skill manpower. Amar logot jodi skill manpower nathake, this announcement will have no value. Kintu jodi announcement thake, jodi amar intention thake ami skill manpower koribo paru, we can attract all GCCs and various other facilities to the state of Assam. Today, with the blessings of Prime Minister, everybody wants to come to Assam. Muk kaliu bahute koise je I want to set up a GCC, I want to set up a data center. Somebody has said we want to create a AI data center, but whether we will be able to give that manpower. Manpower to etu ahile nohobo. Schoolot pohile Mukhyamantrir power kiman, Pradhan Mantrir power kiman, Rashtrapatir power kiman. Ami jodi sebilak pori thaku, ami to goi AI driven data center kam koribo noaru. So this conference call for an immediate overhaul in our education sector. If we have to mitigate unemployment, we have to overhaul our education sector completely, and we have to work dedicatedly for that. Having said that, the government of India, both railway, waterway, railway, highway, we have seen commitment 7,000 crores from railway, new projects, ongoing projects. GM Setanji has elaborated. New project of 4,000 crore from IWAI, 55,000 from National Highway,